Good morning. This is Mrs. Rowley. Today is Monday, March 30th, and we are in spring. And I just want to say good morning. Have a wonderful day, and let's review and introduce a new special sound. That's what we're going to do today. And our special sound is a great one. We need to hear more of this. Gr in grin. Say it with me, boys and girls. Gr in grin. Grass, green, grip, gray, grapes, and grain. Let's echo these words. Grass, green, grip, gray, grapes, and grain. Very good. Once again, gr in grin. Let's review them all. K in duck, E in me, O in go, I in fly, A in pray, two special sounds. St in stop, fr in frog, tr in train, sh in ship, pl in plain, th in thick, in this, bl in black, cl in clack, fl in flake, gl in glue, pr in pray, and the new one, gr in grin. Good job. Have a wonderful day. Do a great job with your papers today, and I will see you tomorrow. God bless you.